Hi, good evening everybody. Now we are going to talk about presentation course lesson number 2. And in this lesson we'll talk about how to do the presentation on my daily routine. Friends, when you are talking about my daily routine, it is a regular action, so we always use simple present tense to talk about your regular actions. So mainly we are going to use simple present tense in this my daily routine presentation. So just repeat after me and learn practically how to do the presentation on my daily routine. My daily routine. Hi, good evening everybody. I am excited to talk about my daily routine. Well, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make a cup of tea and iron my clothes. I have a shower and get dressed. I usually wear casual dresses. I brush my hair, put on my makeup. I pack my bag with all my office materials. I then put on my coat and leave the office and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I catch the bus at 8:15. It takes about 45 minutes to get to my office. My office starts at 10 and ends at 6. I have lunch at 12. I eat homemade food during my lunch break. I attend new customers and sometimes I have meetings with my employees. I finish my job at 6 in the evening. I then catch the bus back home and spend a couple of hours relaxing before I eat dinner. I watch television programs and I sometimes have fun with my family members. After the dinner, we talk and share everyday happenings with each other. I go to sleep at about 11 o'clock. That's all. Thank you.